Tyler Ramos.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. Shout out to my ATB gang. Hey, shout out to your prior ATB host, Frankie Candles. Let me know how you guys think I did on the morning show yesterday and ATB. Sorry I had been a little absent out of the Discord. As you guys know, I kind of took over the BitBoy Crypto channel yesterday. So I was kind of running around like crazy trying to prep for the live stream, trying to prep for ATB. So let me know how you guys thought I did. And if you want to see a little bit more Frankie Candles on these shows, let me know. I had actually had a blast doing both shows. It was super fun. It's fun being hosting Ben's live stream is a blast because it's like, you feel like you have the keys to the kingdom. You feel like, wow, king at the castle, king at the do this, do that. It's cool. It's fun. We got to call in Allison. Her hand came in. I was able to, it was cool. It was fun time. So shout out to everybody who was in there showing support. I saw you guys in there. I saw you guys super chatting. I appreciate all of you. But guys, today we have an awesome show. We got a lot to talk about. The CPI numbers came out a little bit higher than expected. So, hey, yikes. Got an instant little dump on Bitcoin. I was sitting there. It was almost at 8:30 a.m. exactly. 8:30 a.m. exactly. I think I was on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, whatever it was. I was on a low time frame and I just saw that thing dump. Not too crazy. I mean, it was nothing too crazy. It's not like we came down a ton, but we're going to take a look. I'm going to let you guys know what I think, where I think we're headed, what levels I'm watching for future trades. I'm going to update you guys on a couple trades that I have taken. And one that I am still currently in. I don't know what it is about these Ethereum KuCoin trades. I just like to hold them and just let them age and ferment. I just hold them for a long time. I don't know why. They turn into swing trades. But I'm going to show you guys a couple that I have already taken. One I'm already in. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. I'm going to let you guys know what I think. We'll take a look at some altcoins that I have my eye on to accumulate. Ones that I think could come down a little bit more in the near future. I'm watching them like a hawk because as soon as they get down there, I'm going to be scooping them up, DCAing in, right? I'm not like just going to dump a whole bunch of money in. You want to DCA. It's a little bit of a safer strategy. Before we get started, guys, we have a big giveaway happening today. We're going to be picking the winners for our Cardano NFTs as well as the winners of these special edition Frankie Candles hats. A little Frankie Candles hair reveal, guys. Look at this hat hair. What is that? What is this going on? I don't know how I feel about that. But guys, we're going to be giving away a few of these Frankie Candles limited edition hats with the leather patch, with the Frankie Candles logo. It's nice. It's a snapback. It's adjustable. It's pretty high quality. I like it a lot. It's my favorite hat right now. As you guys know, I wear it every single day. But yeah, if you guys want to enter to win this giveaway, I pinned a comment to the top of the chat. Click on that link. Go watch that video, leave a like, leave a comment, and that's it. You're entered to win in the giveaway. So if you want to just go drop a couple likes, a couple comments, whatever on it right now and come back to the stream, that's cool. If not, well, actually, you probably have to do that because we're going to announce the winners at the end of the stream. So definitely go click that link, check that stuff out, enter into the giveaway, and win yourself some Cardano NFTs or a cool hat. So, guys, before we get into it, let's go ahead and say what's up to chat. I see you guys in here. Who do we got today? Let me just pop this chat out so I can get a better look here. All right, let's see who we got today. Let me move this over just a little bit. Okay, yeah, sorry starting late today, guys. I ran behind just a little bit, so we hopped in a little bit late. Let's see who we got. Bada boom. V-Slim. Tony D says, crushed it. I appreciate you, Tony D. All right, let's see. Crypto Butts, what is going on? Hope, welcome back. V-Slim says, hi, Frankie. V-Slim, I think you spelled hi wrong. What's up, V-Slim? Happy to have you here. Simon Gonzalez, what is going on, man? Welcome back. Rob the Crypto Snob, as always, happy to have you here. CryptTKO, thank you for being back. Donato Cabrera, what is going on? He says, CandleMafia with the flaming emojis. We like that. Boondock, what is going on? 3 minutes late. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Yeah, guys, I don't think I'm like never late. But I actually got caught up talking to our one of our guards here at the Hit Factory about crypto. He was curious about some crypto. He said, hey, I see you're getting ready for your live stream. Can I ask you a couple questions? And I got a little tied up. I'm sorry, but a couple minutes late. Could be worse. Byron, what's going on? Tony D, one of our wonderful mods. Thank you for being here, Tony. I love you, brother. Jimmy Two Shoes. I don't got my black coffee here, but guys, today's energy is brought to you by G Fuel. Not really, not officially sponsored. I actually do have contacts over at G Fuel for some weird reason I won't get into. I mean, it's not weird, but shout out to G Fuel. I've actually never tried this, so we'll see how it goes. But no black coffee, Jimmy Two Shoes. I got the G Fuel though. Salud, my paisan. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Mark Jones, what is going on? Skywalker, what's up? CryptTKO, we said, hey, what's up to you? Brandon, what's going on? JG's, what is up? Alessandro, what is going on? Captain Kirk, as always, double salute to the captain. What is going on? Thank you for being here. Unforgettable name. I saw you on the BitBoy Crypto Shows. Unforgettable name. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for showing support. I appreciate you. Jeff, what is going on? Crypto Butts, what is going on? Let's see. Rob the Crypto Snob said, Frankie Candles, you did a stellar job on hosting the BitBoy live stream. Just try to stand still, please. You were making me seasick. Yeah, I think, I did notice that halfway through the show. I think I rock. I get like, yeah, I don't know. I guess that's like my nerves, right? Just, okay, it's all right. Just 5,000 people watching. It's okay. Shout out to Rob. Thank you for being in there, man. I appreciate you. Thank you for the kind words. Pumpy. Oh, what's going on, Crypto Queer? What's up? Grim the Reaper. What is up? That pump, though. Crypto Butts. We said hi to you. Jasper. Let's get a couple more in here. Yo, what's up, Frankie? Moki or Maki. What is going on? Really funny to see you drinking G Fuel. If only they saw you now. Yes. Yeah, Tony, absolutely. Pretty funny story there. What up, Frankie? Killed it over on BitBoy. Bitcoin, Roger Dodger. Thank you for that. I appreciate you. Frank, you did a great job yesterday holding it up. Holding up the fort yesterday. Thank you, Bulldozer Chris. I appreciate you. Peace and love and profits from the dad. What is up, Matt Lane, Rick, Rob, Ritesh, what is going on? And Rickster, Christina, I see you. Optimus Prime, and Tyler Durden, one of our other wonderful mods, and Anon, Crypto Anon, if you're out there, we love you. Yandery, I appreciate the kind words, says you definitely rock. I appreciate all you guys. Like I said, we got the best crypto community in YouTube, on YouTube, not in YouTube. So thank you all for the support. I appreciate you. We got 252 people in chat right now. 84 likes, guys. If you want to win your last minute giveaways, run up those likes. This is your last chance to get some spins on the wheel. For every 100 likes you get, or we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel. For every spin on the wheel, there's 2 spots for a giveaway. So every 100 likes, you get a spin. Smash it up. We're going for 400 likes today. Let's try to get to 400. I know it's Friday. Fridays are sometimes slow for the streams. Let's get it to 400. I believe in you guys. I know you can do it. and maybe we could rack up a couple more giveaways for today. A couple more NFTs. And yeah, don't forget about the hats. Guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in it. I think that's enough housekeeping for now. Also, we got the best community on Discord. Hi, this is Ash from the CandleMafia Discord. Hey, Ash, I was creeping in that Discord a little bit before. Dude, I like your TA, and I know the Mafia loves it as well. This is why we have such a good Discord for people like Ash. I know Ash is in there, you know, putting up some good charts. A lot of people are liking it. I see people thanking you. You must be making some good calls. So shout out to Ash. Thank you for being such an important part of the Candle Mafia. And yeah, guys, if you're not part of our Discord, get in there because it is a really good place for everybody to learn together. You know, whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can get in there, you can collaborate, share charts. You know, if you have a question, it's great for new people. If you're saying, hey, here's my chart, does anyone see something I'm doing wrong? Please let me know. I saw someone in there saying that earlier today. And it's just a great place for everybody to learn and find some good trades together. So definitely a good time. Shout out to you, Ash. I definitely see you in there, brother. Let's see. Ash is fire. Yeah, see, they love you, bro. Yeah, absolutely. One of the best Discords in trading YouTube. So definitely go check that out, guys. And you know, before we get into the well, let's get into the charts. But before we get into the charts, I just wanted to do a little transition in. But before we do that, let's actually pull up Discord here and let us take a look at. Let's go to the winners wall. Let's see if let's see who we got in here winning. What is today's date? Okay, so these are from a couple days ago. But we got Ryan D up $155, 116%. Not too bad, Ryan. Let's go. Let's go, Ryan. And then we got CH Skyline up 46% on an 8-along. Nice job, bro. And another 8-along for 124%. And then he shortened it back down. Or he might have shorted it. I don't know which one came first. For 31% profits. Shout out to you, CH Skyline. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but shout out to you, man. And Captain Kirk. Let's go. 8-along starting to print. Let's go. 13% for Captain Kirk. Shout out to you, Captain. Great work. Let's see. This is 15% for the dad. Let's get it. I think I saw you in here. The dad, what is up? Blanchard's Bees, I see you. Welcome back. Lane Hughes. I assume that's Lane Hughes. What is going on, man? I guess just asking some questions in here. Let's see. 50% for Chusei Crypto. That was yesterday. Good work on that Solana short, my man. Captain Kirk, you out here trading, Captain. Let's go. V-Chain long, got in late, but still in the trade. Let's go, Captain. Let's see. Chusei Crypto with a 14% ETH short, a 27% Matic short, a Solana short for 65%. Absolutely crushing it. Chusei more, 14%. Crypto Billy up 38%. Guys, you guys are crushing it in here. 20% for Pro Assaulter, 29% for Skyline on an 8-along. Hey, Skyline, you like those ADA trades. Hey, Lane Hughes, 71% on that Ethereum short. Let's go. I don't want to spend too much more time, but Captain Kirk back with another 9% and a 4%. Oh, God, they're popping in as we speak, guys. I think you guys know what we're doing here. And shout out to Ship It to Papa, 56%. Cars on... I don't know how to say your name, but shout out 100% on that trade. Very, very, very nice, Captain. Everybody throwing him in here. Congrats, guys. Everybody who's out there winning, congrats. I love this Discord. It's turning into a really good community. And yeah, we made some pretty good calls. We've been making some pretty good calls so far. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the Bitcoin chart. I feel like I have to get up to go do something. I keep feeling like I have to be right back, but I don't know what I have to do. Looks on Chainlink. We'll take a look at Chainlink for sure. Bing Bong, SoCal chapter, Robert Kadena in the house. What is going on, my man? Rich Young says, Frankie, been crushing it all week. Jumped on the ETH short this morning and banged 10K. Let's go. You guys are out here crushing it. Lou says, Frankie, ADA gang. Let's go, guys. Throw up that, not the X, throw up the A. As you guys know, BitBoy Crypto located in the A. Let's go. Yeah, congrats, everybody. Shout out to Hope. Okay, let's go ahead and cover, let's cover the TA right now, guys. Now, I did bring this up on the morning stream today. Let me pull up and let me pull up an empty chart here just so we can get a little bit of a cleaner read on everything, and then we'll pull up the other charts to get a better look at the levels, so I can give you guys some juicy levels to watch. So here's things are. I don't know about this relief rally, guys. This relief rally now again. If we pump out of nowhere, it will not be a surprise to me. It might actually be a surprise, like, oh, it chose to pump today. But obviously, we have come down quite a bit. I think, I think we could come up more, but it's not looking as good as it was, before. I would say overall, for anybody who's just in here for a quick minute, you want the sentiment, I am a little more bearish right now than bullish. As you guys know, we were kind of expecting that relief pump to be coming in at any minute, and it's not looking as good lately. We were getting these higher daily time frame green dots, right? We did get that green dot on the 6 day. We did get it on the 5 day. Now, what I don't like about this is these VWAP crossovers don't look very strong, right? Now, obviously, this can turn around. This could change, but come up, printed the green dot, you come up, and it's just kind of flattening out here, right? Not looking like the most power. I mean, like, look at this one. This one, excuse me, comes straight up, right? This one's kind of just already flopping over. It's not the best look. Now, coming down to the 5 day, looking even worse for the 5 day. VWAP just coming right on down there, coming right back to that zero line, looking like it could push price down again. You do have, the blue wave about to clip back into the light blue. Probably pretty soon here. So, you could find support on that zero line right here and then come up, which is definitely possible, but not really what we want to be seeing right now. This is showing signs of wanting to just roll back over and continue to the downside. So these bullish signals that we were getting, very macro bullish signals that we were getting recently have kind of turned not as bullish as they were once looking, right? 4 day, kind of the same thing. VWAP coming down. You can see that right here. Not looking the best. 3 day, even closer to printing a red dot. And I do believe the 2 day is printing the 2 day is printing a red dot. This is bearish, guys, at least for the medium to short term. Now, your daily, on the other hand, is already below that zero line. Probably going to round off soon and come up a little bit, but this 2 day VWAP or this 2 day red dot might take time. Not confirmed. We still have a day and 2 hours to confirm this. But if this confirms, this can bring us down quite a bit. Now, right, daily, same thing. Money flow starting to come back out a little bit. VWAP looking like it probably will flatten out soon. Taking a look at the 12-hour, right? Again, not looking the best. This was looking pretty good with the money flow. As you guys know, basic market cipher strategy, money flow coming up clean. Looked like it wanted to go for the crossover. This is why you don't want to front run your indicators. Perfect example, right? If we were to erase this part, right? So let's just, let's just pretend this doesn't exist, right? I'm just going to color this out really quick. There's easier ways to do this, but hey, it's Friday. We're feeling wacky. It's Freaky Frankie Friday, baby. Let's go. Anyway, money flow coming up nicely and, looking like it wanted to curve up into that green, right? Looking like it wanted to come into the green, but obviously we got rejected at that zero line. Now money flow is coming back out. Now this is not a good sign. Granted, you probably can come down and then, work your way back up and cross over, but it looks like the crossover is not obviously going to happen right here. Coming back down, another reason why it's looking a little bearish. Money flow coming back out on the 12-hour. 16-hour, kind of the same deal. Obviously plays out a little differently. You came into the green and back into the red. Now, I want to remind you guys that a lot of times when you see this happen, you'll see price will come, or the wave will come up into the green, and then it will just come back into the red for one more little breath before finally coming into the green for a bigger wave up. So you want to keep in mind that that can happen, but right now, the fact that it came into the green and back into the red, not the best look. We could also just come back into a bigger red wave. So you want to remember that right now, not looking the best, definitely looking worse than it has in the recent past. 10-hour money flow crossover into the red, looking like it wants to happen. And as you guys can see, when this has happened in the past, it's obviously, pretty bad for price, right? You come all the way down like this. Even here, here didn't really play out, but I think you might be ready to actually just come down, and this one might actually play out. So 8-hour money flow crossover into the red, not looking that great. Now, you do have your VWAPs below, right? So when you have money flow coming down, your VWAPs probably going to come up. You might move sideways. My sentiment is sideways bearish, right? Because sometimes when you have the money flow coming down, but the VWAP coming up, sometimes it can make for like sideways action. That's the universal symbol for sideways action, guys. So yeah. You want to remember that, but I would say sideways bearish. 6-hour looking for that crossover to the downside. Also looking bearish. Your 4-hour VWAP coming up, but you have crossed back over into the red with your money flow. So that is a very bearish sign. And then just today, your green, your 3-hour is back in the red with the money flow as well, with your VWAP coming up though. So, you might wiggle sideways a little bit here before that VWAP comes back down and yanks you back to the downside. So I will say definitely leaning bearish today, guys. It's not, not looking the greatest right now. But let's go ahead and zoom in and let's zoom in so we can see some of these levels. Let's come down to a lower time frame. Let's look at the beautiful 15-minute, my favorite time frame. So yeah, let's actually pull up the Discord because I want to talk about what we said this morning. So yeah, this morning I put this in. I put this chart in the Discord, and I said here, hey everyone, right now the 4-hour is back in the red, and the 3-hour money flow crossover is with that. It is looking a little more bearish. The daily also looks like it could come down a bit more. We also had the CPI numbers come out at 8.6%, which is bearish as well. Here are some levels to watch. Blood diamonds popping up on the lower time frames currently. Beautiful rejection off that high volume node. I'm looking at the spider line at 29,130 for our next big level of support. Now let's go to the chart and kind of see how that played out, guys. So here is the high volume node I was talking about. We had that beautiful, 1 rejection, 2 rejection. The 3rd rejection, you come up, you get that blood diamond. It comes down to our golden pocket right here. We smash through the golden pocket. You come back up, bearishly retest the golden pocket. Now, this is textbook, guys. You break down, you bearishly retest the golden pocket, and then you print that yellow X. I love when this happens because it makes for a pretty confident short trade, right? You come down, you bearishly retest, and a lot of times, that's good enough to come down, right? With other confirmations, that should be enough. But when you get that yellow X, you could feel pretty confident that you're going to make your way down, right? So this is kind of what we were looking for. And then our next stop that we were looking for was this spider line here. Now, I think if we come down to lower time frames, I think we did. So yeah, let me just zoom in. So we came down now. Smashed right through that spider line. That spider line is this green line here. We smashed right through it and then bearishly retested and came right down to our next level of support, which was, where's she at? There she is. Came down, didn't quite reach the spider line, but then bounced up, bearish retest, smashed through the spider line and came right down almost to the dollar to our next line of support, which is 28.8. About 28,800. Got a nice little bounce here. We are working our way up, and look at that. We snuck right on top of this golden pocket. Let's come to a lower time frame so we can really zoom in here. Right, boom. You bounce off our support. Right, boom, right here. You reject off the spider line. Reject off the spider line. Pop up. Find support. Double tap it for support, and now you're coming up just a little bit. I would be watching this level right here, this golden pocket at about 29,543 for a possible rejection. Also, you can probably watch these levels here as well. I mean, we're coming up on some resistance right now. But I would watch, if you can make it up here, I would watch for some bearish divergences to possibly make our way back down towards this spider line. Now, you do want to remember that right below us currently, we do have, we almost came perfectly down to that golden pocket. But I would love to see us come down and actually touch it. That would be nice. And like I said, things are looking a little more bearish in the medium to longer term with those higher daily time frames not looking too hot with those green dots looking to roll right back over. Excuse me. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come down a little bit. I think it might be a little bit of a bloody weekend, or it might be a typical sideways, boring weekend, low volume type stuff. But nonetheless, I am feeling a little more sideways bearish, I would say, based off of the things, mostly that 3-hour money flow, the 4-hour being back in the red. And then we also have some more bearish signs popping up on things like Ethereum, which we'll take a look at in a second. But first, let's go ahead and let me see. Can we pull up my trade here? So Ethereum trade, $177 taken out. I think I showed this on our market watch. If you guys watched my market watch just a few minutes ago, I did bring this up. $177 locked out. We have another $432 in, about 3x leverage, up 48%. Not too shabby. So gonna hold on to this one, and then let me see if I can get on my Femex account really quick. Did have a couple trades in Femex as well. And yes, it is going to let me hop right in without my two-factor authentication because safety. Don't want to get hacked or anything. Hopefully I'm on the right account here. Hopefully. That's the problem. Yeah, this is the wrong account. Of course it is. Yeah, this is a different account. But whatever. I think you guys believe me. I'm never going to hide a trade from you. I'll put it in Discord. I could show it to you on my phone. But we took another 20% on a Bitcoin short as well. I actually meant to I meant to take profits, and then I didn't get stopped out, but I had a take profit set just in case we got down there, and I had it set to take 100% of the trade out, and I forgot to lower it, so it completely exited me out of the trade. But whatever, it was a winning trade. It was up 20%, and that was on Femex. This is on KuCoin. If you guys want to sign up to trade on Femex, whether you want to long the market or short the market on Femex or KuCoin, we do have links in the description. I will put the Femex link in the chat right now. If you guys sign up with my Femex link, you will get a deposit bonus depending on how much money you deposit. Femex will put extra free money in your account to trade with. So it's a win-win situation, and you help your boy out, Frankie Candles, just a little bit. So win-win situation. Definitely check out that link if you guys want to sign up and trade and make money as the price crashes, like we have been doing the entire time. Yeah, welcome to the CandleMafia, because we make money whether the price is going up or down. So that's the beauty of it, guys. But there you go. Some levels that you can watch on Bitcoin. I kind of already talked about it, but let's come down to the 15-minute. In the short term, I'd watch the bottom of this golden pocket at about 29.5. If you get rejected there, you do have the spider line here coming in right now at about 29.130, and then you have this level down here at about 28.8, which we did get a beautiful bounce off of. So there's some levels to watch. We also do have another spider line. If we break this level, we have another spider line down here at about 28.275 or 28.3 almost. So these are some levels you guys can watch. Again, I do think I am feeling a little more bearish based off of the things I just mentioned. I am working on trying to get TradingView to not be broken so I can share my charts with you guys, so you don't have to. I'm sure some of you are like screenshotting them, reading the numbers, then putting them on your chart. I'd like to save you guys that hassle if you are doing that and just share my TradingView chart with you, so you could just go on your TradingView and see my chart, move it around, drag it around. It would be a lot easier, but for some reason, TradingView I keep sending the link to you guys, and it keeps bringing you to the wrong chart. I don't know what's happening. I think it's a TradingView bug. Hopefully, they fix it. And when they do, I will definitely be sending some charts. I think that'll be helpful, right? Because then you could go into the Frankie Candles Bitcoin TA section on the Discord, and you could take a look at it and be like, oh, okay, these are the levels he's watching, and then there will be a link to my chart, so you can open the exact chart that I'm sending pictures of on your computer, so you could use it to your advantage, and you can use my levels if you want, or you could use your levels. I don't care, whatever one works better for you. But before we move on, guys, I want to show you guys ETH, XRP. Like I said, we're going to take a look at a couple of those alts that I'm keeping my eye on. I mean, I guess spoiler alert, XRP is one of them. But we're going to take a look at ETH. There's a lot of concerning things on ETH I want to talk about. We'll look at the DXY. We'll look at the SPY. But first, let's go ahead and see what's going on in chat, because I don't want to get left out, guys. I do this TA, and I feel like all my friends are hanging out over here, and I'm stuck doing homework in my house. All my friends are playing outside, so I feel FOMO. So let's see what the chat's doing. I don't know why I'm like this, guys. Anyway, let's see. Smash up them like Crypto Anon. Shout out to Crypto Anon. Thank you for that, brother. Hey, Crypto Anon said it, not me. Only 200 more likes to reach our like goal for the day. So definitely go smash that up. Let's see. V-Slim says, hey guys, I am Crypt Dreams on Discord. I'm going to start spending some time on there, trying to pick up some TA from you guys. V-Slim, definitely hop in there, man. I'm happy to help you. If any of you guys have questions, you have to obviously, I get a lot of messages, so it's hard to answer all of them right away. But when I do have free time, I try to go through and answer all the messages. Comments, I will be soon running through all my comments and answering them. They're getting harder and harder to answer them all. But I do try to answer every single comment. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to message me on Discord. I will always try my hardest to answer you guys. And I don't just give you some rinky-dink answer. If I can, I explain things in detail. I'll send you screenshots. My goal is to help you guys. So don't be afraid to message me and ask some questions. If I can get back to you, I will definitely put some time into trying to help you guys out. All right, let's see. If you are new to leverage trading, use very low leverage or you'll get wrecked for sure. Simon, very, very good point. I will say that, guys. With leverage trading, you understand it's a little more risky. You can increase your gains very, very quickly, but with that, there's a caveat. You can increase your gains and you will lose money much, much faster. The higher the leverage, the faster you'll lose money or gain money. So what I like to do is I like to use leverage as a tool, right? So I'll use a decent bit of money and then I will, put low leverage on it, right? Rather than, you don't want to use super, super high leverage. It could be very, very dangerous. So just know that if you're not an advanced trader or an experienced trader, stay away from leverage. Maybe start spot trading or paper trading, something like that, and then move into leverage. But it could be a very, very powerful tool, especially if you don't have a lot of capital to put into your trades. But just be careful because it could get dangerous. Let's see. Hey, Frankie, you killed it yesterday. ENS, thank you, man. I appreciate it. And thank you for being back in the chat, man. Happy to see you here. And thank you for the kind words. Steve Goobleman, Uncle Steve in chat. I say what's up to Uncle Steve. He says TGIF, bada bing. What's going on, Uncle Steve? Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. Let's see. Guys, we had Jason Casper showed up in chat when we were getting off our live yesterday. Not yesterday, the day before. And I was like, oh, Jason Casper in chat, but we were already getting off. But shout out to Jason Casper. He's the man. Cool to see him hanging out in here. Let's see. Wolfman ate my coin said, CandleMafia Discord is one of the most positive, friendly spaces I have ever been a part of. Absolutely. Everybody's trying to help each other in there. I hop in there. I give you guys tips. I give you guys my exclusive TA, or not my exclusive. Everybody's access to it, but like, I give you guys my specialty. I don't know what to call it. I give you my TA in a separate channel so you guys can keep an eye on what I'm thinking, things I'm looking for. And then we have really good traders in the public trading channel that are putting their charts up, right? Everyone's talking back and forth, getting feedback from each other, learning from each other. I love it. I go in there all the time. It's such a good community. We don't have anybody bickering in there, arguing over ADA, Cardano, XRP. No, I like Bitcoin. We don't have any of that. It's a very productive, friendly place. And that's shout out to you guys. You guys are the absolute best community on YouTube. And we are here to help you, Frankie. Will Smith that like button. Mafia members, let's go. Rob the Crypto Snob, I appreciate that. How do you make money and lose money faster with leverage? Enzo Mining, Tox 250X. When you add leverage to your positions, it allows you to make money faster because if you have $100 and you're trading with 10x leverage, it's now like you're trading with $1,000, right? So in a way, you're basically just increasing your capital, right? You're increasing your buying power by using leverage, right? So you put $100 in at 10x leverage, now you're trading with $1,000, but you only have to risk $100, right? So it gives you the ability to trade with more money than you have, and you only have to risk however much money you want, right? So if you only have $100 and you're willing to risk $100, but you want to trade with 1,000, you can do that. And then worst case scenario, if you get liquidated, you lose your $100. So you don't go into debt or anything like that. You don't have to pay back the $900 you borrowed. You would just lose your initial capital. Now, obviously, the more money you have, the bigger your position size, the more money you make, right? 10% on $1,000 is more than 10% of $100. So that's how you make money faster. But the problem is, if the price drops, you're also losing way faster too. So it goes both ways. You want to keep that in mind. And then the more leverage you use, obviously, the quicker you'll lose it, right? So if you're using 2 or 3x leverage, it's not too crazy, right? But if you're using 100x leverage and Bitcoin moves the wrong way 1%, you're done. So that's why 100x leverage is very, very dangerous. Because you put 100x leverage on, you better bet that the price is just going to shoot in the direction you want it to. Because if it hiccups the wrong way, you're done. So very important to know. Frankie, if I want to close a market margin order on KuCoin, then I need to open a long order with no leverage doubled. If here, I could pull that up. We'll just show. I'll just show you live here. So for me, what was the question? If I want to close if you want to close your order. There's a couple different ways you could do it. You could set a limit, right? So you can, there's a few different ways you could do it. But what I do, you could just put your price in if you want, you want to close your trade when ETH hits $1,600, right? Just say, I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying you could do $1,600, right? So when the price gets here, it will close your trade. And then down here, you could set how much of your trade you want it to close. So if you just wanted to take partial profit, when price gets to $1,600, I want to close out half of my trade, right? And if you do that, you'll see right here, you'll make $102. If you want to take out 100%, you'd make $204. So if you wanted to close your whole position as a limit, you could do this. This is one way to do it. Pick 100%. Pick the number you want it to close at, and then hit confirm. It will set that order. Or if you just wanted to close, part of your position right here, you could say you want to close out 50% right now. You would make 70. I would make $70. It would lock $70 in profit. I could click confirm, and because it's a market order, it will close it immediately. So those are some ways you could kind of take some profit off of your trade. 10x leverage means 1% move. Is a 10% move for you, Brian Miller? Yes, absolutely. You're right, Tyler. I've just had some bad exits the last 5 trades, lost out on lots of profits. That's okay. That's okay. Crypto Chicano, that's okay. That is okay. Tyler's a Bitcoin maxi. Let's go. Let's see. Careful with leverage. Lost 3 Bitcoin learning how to trade with leverage. Guys, shout out to Crypto Chicano. Shout out to you, man. Yeah, that's why I do recommend maybe starting with spot trading, right? You're not going to make as much as quick, but you also won't lose as much as quick. But also, you could try paper trading, right? Femex has a great testnet that you can trade with fake money and it's a 1-to-1 simulation. You're trading the real prices. It's exactly the same. You're just not using real money. So you can practice with that risk-free. Another thing that I recommend if you don't want to do that, I don't know why you wouldn't, it's free, but another thing you can do if you just want to kind of test your strategies is you can use this long and short position tool that you have on TradingView. And actually, you know what? Let's just bring up Cardano real quick because if you guys remember, we'll go back to that. But yeah, if you guys remember on Cardano, we were looking at this on our last stream. I believe it was on Wednesday. Someone asked, I think they asked if they should short or long ADA. I took a look at it and I was saying that, we're pulling these bearish divergences on Cardano where you have a higher high on your price action and a lower high on your momentum waves, creating that alligator mouth that we talk about all the time on the channel, that little alligator mouth, indicating that price will come down. And we put that trade in right here and look at that thing just bleed out. And we actually did also mention that when you break into this value area high, the chances of you coming down towards this point of control are very likely, and that is exactly what we were seeing. So like I said, guys, anytime I show something like this, they are not trade calls, they're not signals for you guys to enter trades, but pointing out that 3-hour, 4-hour bearish divergence on Cardano, I hope that sparked something in your head, or at least some of your heads, to maybe go to the charts, take a look yourself, and maybe decide to get in on a trade or not. If you did, congratulations on that win. We called that one almost to a T. It played out almost exactly. Didn't quite come down to that point of control, but we got very, very close, and we still might come down a little bit more. So just wanted to point that out. But this is a great way to test a strategy. If you see something on the chart and you're like, I think this is, even if you don't know, you're just learning and you're just like, I think this is a bearish divergence. I think that's the thing that Frankie Candle said the price is going to come down if I see this. I think that's what it is. Put a fake short, but not a fake short position, but use your short position tool and you just position where the price is, where if you wanted to short it from here to the point of control, grab your short position tool, put your little dotted line on the current price, and then move your take profit where you would want to take profit, and then move your stop loss where you would want your stop loss, and let the price action play out and see if you were right. And that's totally risk-free as well. Great way to practice. I do recommend the paper trading because it gets you familiar with the trading platform. You get to click all the buttons, learn all the bells and whistles. You could try out the different amounts of leverage, find out, you could probably just try out a fake 100x leverage and you'll quickly realize why it's so dangerous, and you don't have to risk any of your money. So I definitely, I almost said hesitate. I definitely recommend you guys check that out. Tyler Durden says, how dare you? I said Bitcoin maxi. Oh no, did you really? That's funny. I'll be a Bitcoin maxi too. My strategy has always been to use hedge trades. That's not a bad strategy. I think what Boondock is talking about is longing and shorting at the same time. You know, you could long on one account, short on another account, set your stop losses, and then once if price pumps, that's great for your long, and then really bad for your short. But if your short's just going to get stopped out early, and then your long trade will make up for the little loss that you made on your short. Or yeah, I think I said that right. Everyone shout out loud for all the great info Frankie shares with us, with all of us. Thanks, Frankster. Steve Googleman, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Guys, best community, absolutely best community on YouTube. Shout out to Uncle Steve. Show Uncle Steve some love in the chat. Let's see. My strategy, we already read that. Yeah, I still feel the pain, lol. Wick, what is going on, Wick? Frankie, I calendar my DCA purchases on your calls, at least heeding your warnings. Your calls are golden even for us slower folks. Wick, you are not slow, and I know that because you're part of the Candle Mafia. If you were slow, you would have seen the Candle Mafia and been like, I don't have time for that. Those are the slow ones. It's the people who come in here every day to learn and, you know, watch your boy Frankie Candles that are the witty ones, the smart ones, the ones that want to make money, and the ones that want to put themselves in the best position for financial freedom in the next bull run. You guys are in the right spot. Shout out to you, Wick. I appreciate you, man. I hope it is working for you. And speaking of DCAing, guys, I want to talk about these altcoins that I'm looking to accumulate pretty soon here. But first, let's cover Ethereum because right now it's not looking too good. Now, we actually did put a call in our Discord earlier today. I was pointing out here, we shared this chart, right? This gives you an idea of kind of where we were when I put the call in there. And I was saying this little area right here, there's not a lot of volume, so I would expect, let's just see what I said. I said, at everyone, ETH is begging to break down out of this descending triangle, and with the 3-hour money flow crossover, it's looking a little more bearish. We also have a confirmed blood diamond on, we also have confirmed blood diamonds on the lower hourly time frames. Now, here are some levels to watch. So this is obviously, I mean, hey guys, look at that. We broke right out of that descending triangle. ETH was knocking on the door this morning. I could smell it coming, so I had to alert you guys. Now, as you can see, we did get a very, very quick move down, right? We had a big move down. So just a couple things I want to cover here. First thing being this little area right here, right? Like I said, this is textbook, right? I'm actually going to just get rid of this line here just so we could see a little better, and then I will bring it back. But you break down out of this value area low, you come up for the bearish retest. We peeked through a little bit, but that's still a bearish retest. And then you come down and you get the confirmation of that yellow X, right? You come down, retest. Now, when you're on that retest, for anybody who's really, really new here, on that retest, that is where you're starting to think, are we going to reject here? Is this where I should be shorting? But when you get that yellow X, that is a great confirmation that you're going to come down, especially when you're expecting a quick drop, right? So when I'm looking at this, I'm seeing, okay, we broke the value area low. Right now from here, I'm already looking, let's use the replay tool because I think this is one of the best tools we can use to learn, you know, with trading on TradingView. This is one of the best tools we can use. Now, so let's go ahead and move forward in time, right? We're watching it. Boom, right? Okay, so you see that yellow X didn't print, but we broke down. Okay, right? So we're watching. Okay, now a lot of people. This replaying it really shows you how FOMO can get you. Boom. You're waiting for it to break that value area low. This blue line. You're waiting. You're waiting. You're waiting. You're waiting. You're waiting. Boom. Oh no, it's dumping. It's dumping. I want to get into a trade. And then you're going to enter the trade and you're going to get wrecked, right? So we don't do that on this channel. We let it break. We let her go. Let her go. The gate's open. She's running. Let her go. She'll be back. Trust me. Okay, now it's like, oh my God, now you're feeling the FOMO. But what I'm doing is I'm waiting for the retest. I'm not interested in this short until we get the retest. If we don't get the retest and it dumps, I missed the trade. Big deal. There'll be another dump. Okay, now I'm watching like, oh wow, I think I might miss this. It might just, oh yeah, this thing's just gonna go down. Oh wait, hang on. Maybe we're gonna get the retest. Maybe we're gonna get the retest. Boom. Now these are regular candles, so this might play out a little. This played out a little bit differently than the Heikinashis, but basically the same thing. If we just bring it back a couple candles here, you know, you're waiting for that retest. You're waiting for that retest. Boom. You get the retest. And come on, yellow X. Boom. Then you get the yellow X. So you get that retest. And then, you know, if you want to enter on the retest and then, you know, or if you want to wait for the yellow X, you could do that as well. But you might get a little late entry if you wait for the yellow X. But if you entered right here, when you get that yellow X, it gives you like a breath of, a sigh of relief, knowing like, I'm hoping for it to go down. At least there's a yellow X. The yellow X's play out most of the time. So there you go. You want to bat down, retest, enter, and then you get that yellow X. You're feeling really good, and the price absolutely dumps. But you can see how the FOMO can get you. But right now, this is looking, yeah, guys. I mean, so we're gonna cover Ethereum like you know as a whole in just a second. But just right now, guys, I mean, this is you know as clear as day. This is a bear pennant. These typically break to the downside. Right, so you come down, you consolidate, right? We talk about these all the time. You come down. This would be my next target, about 1650. Come back down and test that level. I just pointed that out. I literally just realized that right now. That's why I wanted to point it out. But let's take a look at Frank. Why is Ethereum looking so bearish? Didn't we come down enough? I thought the pain was over. I thought we were getting a relief bounce. Tell me why you're bearish. Now, the reason I'm bearish is because coming on over to the come on, go away. Where is it? So we pointed these out. We've been talking about these on the channel, you know, since they popped up. We have our confirmed blood diamond on the 12-hour. We were talking about that when it was printing. And then we kind of got, let me get rid of some of this stuff real quick. You know, we kind of got all these doji candles. Didn't know if this was going to play out. But like, you know, like I said, they play out more often than not, right? So they started to play out. We broke out of that descending triangle. Let me just, boom. So yeah, actually, let me get rid of that. Go away. So yeah, you have your 12-hour confirmed blood diamond, your 16-hour confirmed blood diamond, right? Now, money flow coming back out on the 12-hour, similar to Bitcoin. Yeah, same thing on these higher time frames. Money flow coming back out. Now, let me zoom out a little bit here. Now, as you guys know, are we on the right ETH chart? What happened to did our descending triangle just got where did our descending triangle go? Huh. Well, I guess we'll just redraw it. We'll go here, boom, and then we'll just put this in 2, boom. I'm just gonna rough this out, guys, because I don't want to waste too much time here. But yeah, descending triangle, right? So we were expecting a quick move to the downside, and the reason for that is the gap in volume. Now, you can see that here on the fixed range volume profile. You could kind of see this big gap in volume. And then if you circle that, right, you get these mega candles that just kind of have no chill and they just shoot to the downside. And then on the VPVR, you can see it as well. It might be a little hard to pull up here because you're going to have to zoom out a lot. But you're looking for the same thing. Oh, actually, this is perfect. You can see you have this gap in volume, and when you zoomed out on the higher time frames, you can see when you have these big gaps in volume, you get these quick moves to the downside. So that's why I was calling for a quick move. If you guys watch the streams, I've been waiting for this. I was saying there's not a lot of support between here and about 1650, which is the top of this white box. If we break out of the descending triangle, I would expect a fast move down, and that's exactly what we got. And I just want to show you guys how I was able to tell, right? How I knew that was going to be a quick move down was because of this gap in volume. Just so you guys know, I like to teach you guys how to fish because, listen, I could keep these, I could keep how I do this to myself so you guys keep tuning in. And I want you guys to keep tuning in. And even if I teach you all my secrets, I think you guys are still going to tune in. But I want to show you guys how to do it. That way, if I have to, if I can't stream or I can't make a video or I can't put the call in Discord, you guys are as well prepared as you can be to see these things yourself. And you could start making these calls by yourself without me. And that's just, then you got my head and your head put together. That's an even, it just increases your chances of winning at this game. So just wanted to point that out for you guys. We did get a breakdown, made that great call in Discord for the people, for the CandleMafia who are in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, get in there. It's completely free. I put all this information, all this TA, all these calls out for free. So there you go. Now, next moves for Ethereum, I would think are going to be, back down to this 1650 mark. And then I would expect to come down towards this green line at about, 1600 even's probably going to give you a little bit of a fight. That's psychological support. But I would look at this green line at about 1588 as the next stop. But I do think we can work our way into this white box. Like I said, there's not much support, below us here. So, probably going to come down pretty quickly. But yeah, ETH just not looking the best right now. I'm gonna hold my short for now. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the XDY. I almost called it the XDY. What is wrong with me? The DXY, guys, as it is continuing to. Well, there we go. Big bounce, guys, coming up, showing strength, looking like it's coming to the upside now. The one hope that we want to have is obviously you are getting a little resistance at this level. You're probably going to have a little resistance at this top level as well. I'll say this. The DXY is known to range a little bit before breaking out. As you can see, you ranged here for a little bit and then boom, you get a big move up. And then you ranged here for a little bit right before getting a big move up. So, we could be ranging here, right? We ranged here a little bit before moving up. Now we range here. Now, this is what we hope. If you want Bitcoin to go up, this is what you're looking for, is you're kind of hoping you could get somewhat of a double top here maybe, or an M reversal, right? A little M reversal to the downside. That would bring the price of Bitcoin, that would be positive for the price of Bitcoin. But we'll have to watch. It's too soon to tell if this is going to play out. Your 4-hour money flow just recently crossed into the green. And last time we crossed into the green, we obviously had a gigantic move up. Now, it makes more sense to me to see the DXY continue to move up technically, just for the sole fact that if the bear market is going to continue, it wouldn't make sense for the DXY to have a massive fall to the downside. That would indicate that Bitcoin was going to go on a parabolic run, right? And I don't know if that's what we're expecting right now in a bear market. So to me, it makes a little more sense to not double top, but to kind of just come down. We had this big move to the upside. You come down about 50%. You come for this big move up. Whoa, come for this big move up, right? And this is the US dollar index, guys. It moves inverse to Bitcoin. And if you don't know what the US dollar index is, it basically, puts the dollar against a basket of other different currencies. So it shows the strength of the US dollar against those currencies, right? So you have this big move up, and then you typically get a correction. Now, this would be a healthy correction for a continuation, right? You get the big move up, you correct about, about half of the move up. You correct about half the move up, and then you move to higher prices. Now, this makes a little more sense to me, but The hopium is that we could come up here and double top and then come down, and then maybe we can get some juicy action on the crypto markets. Bitcoin can come up. Maybe we get a little bit of an alt season, something like that. But we can't really know that's happening until we get the DXY to come down a little bit. But, you know, against, you know, on the more of the bear case for Bitcoin, it does look like this could be a healthy correction for a move up. And with that money flow crossover on the 4-hour, it is looking like we've had a pretty healthy correction here. You know, if you come from here, well, if we measure this from here to here, 7% move, and then you, come on with this mouse. All right, yeah, look at that. You come up about 7%, and then you correct about half, about 3.5%. And then that's a pretty healthy correction for a continued move to the upside. And then that crossover into the green is fresh. That would give it a little rocket fuel to continue moving the dollar up. Now, I don't think it's looking that bullish on all the other time frames, if I'm not mistaken. If we come up to some higher time frames, now you have the 12-hour looking like it wants to come down. So this looks a little more bullish for Bitcoin, because if we can get that crossover and we come down a lot, that would be good for Bitcoin. But it does look like we just kind of crept into the red here, and now we're coming back into the green. So kind of hard to make a call here on the DXY, but I think that information I just gave you should kind of give you guys a little bit of an edge. Pulling up the SPY or the S&P 500, guys. There it is, the breakdown. You know, as you guys know, we came up. We were holding this range for a while. Finally, we get the breakdown to the downside. You know, not looking the best, obviously, for Bitcoin. So yeah, this is not great. This is not great. You know, we could move down to this support line here at about 385. And if we extend our trend line here, you know, we could possibly, you know, we'll probably find some support here. But if we keep coming down, you could be coming down into the 360s. Not looking great. Not looking great. You know, as far as, you know, on the higher time frames here, this doesn't look horrible. Money flow coming back up on the 3-day, but your VWAP, yeah, it doesn't look good, guys. Money flow crossover into the red. Your VWAP looking to print a red dot on the 3-day. 2 days probably printing a red dot. There it is. Boom. You got the snake eyes, right? You got the snake eyes. These are typically very bullish. You tried. You got the snake eyes. You came up, and then you just get the blood diamond on the 2-day. Oh, boy. This is kind of the... I did not look at the SPY today, guys. Blood diamond on the 2-day for the SPY. Not good, guys. Not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. So yeah, this could bring you down. This could bring you down. Yeah, not looking great. Not looking great. Yeah, red dot. The daily has room to come down, in my opinion. So yeah, not looking too hot for that. That blood diamond on the 2-day. This is the first time I'm seeing that. Not confirmed, but it doesn't look great with that red dot on the 2-day printing. I think you can come down here. Yeah, last one we had was here. Obviously, we came up a little bit, but this could have been foreshadowing this entire move down. Let's see. Have we ever... Yeah, you know, you got this one here. You pumped, you dumped. You got one here. You came down a little bit. But what you want to understand here is, you know, this one didn't really play out. Even if you count this as being the move, this whole move here, even if you count that as the move, what you want to understand is look at the money flow down here. You're thick in the green, right? So a blood diamond probably isn't going to behave the same way when you're thick in the green as it is, as it is when, you know, money flow has recently crossed into the red right here. So you're in a completely different spot. The blood diamond over here is probably going to play out a lot worse because you're getting a red dot on the 2-day and you're in the red in the money. You're in the red money flow. Money flow is already in the red. So it's going to behave probably a little bit worse here. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. That you want to remember with Market Cypher, if you guys have Market Cypher, you want to remember that. You can't just you know, see a blood diamond and then come back and see, you know, how much the blood diamond played out last time. You can do that, but you want to make sure that, you know, you're in a similar situation as far as Market Cypher B. Like here, you might have foreshadowed this whole move down, and you know, you had money flow starting to come out here, right? So that might be why it played out like that. And then when you're already in the red, it might play out a lot. And then these might have not played out that much, just because you're thick in the green, right? You're like, money flow is coming out a little bit here, but you know, you wind up coming back up. So you want to remember that stuff. There's a quick little tip, a little bit of sauce for you. Flicking it with the wooden spoon here, just dipping it in the sauce and flicking it right at you. We got 446 people concurrently watching, guys. if you're there, if you're sitting on the couch, you're sitting at the table, you're sitting at your desk, you're leaning back in your office chair, whatever you're doing, flipping a pen around in your fingers as you're listening to your boy Frankie Candles, counting your money from your last trade, do me a favor and just take a little break from whatever you're doing with your hands, grab that mouse, and just go right down to the bottom of the window and tap that like button. Run it up to 400. I'll give you guys, if we get 450 likes today, I will give you guys 7 spins on the wheel. And we're giving away stuff today. So you guys are instantly going to get those giveaways. And we'll give you 7 spins. I think we're giving away so much stuff, guys. I'm going to go poor giving away all this stuff to you guys. But I am happy to do it. I don't care. I don't care. Frankie, I'm late. Sorry, I was out to dinner with Mama Chemistry. Chemistry, bro. Don't apologize for hanging out with Mama Chemistry. We love Mama Chemistry. And hey, I think you should spend some time with her. She sounds like a great lady. So shout out to you, Chemistry Bro. Happy to see you in here, man. Happy to see you in here. Driving my truck. Ryan's driving his truck. You know what, Ryan? I'm going to give you the pass on the like button because I don't want you messing around with your phone while you're driving. That is seriously, seriously dangerous. I know I sound like a mom right now, or I guess a dad, but like I feel like moms are really the ones who buckle down on that stuff. Dad might be like, hit the like button. But I don't want to sound like I don't want to be a Nancy right now. Is that what they call them? Karen, whatever the word is. Yeah, you get the pass, Ryan. I don't want you messing around in your truck. Drive safe, brother. We'll just have somebody else log in on one of their accounts and like twice. We got you covered. Let's see. Jacko, I appreciate you for hitting the like button. Anonymous says instructions unclear, shorted at 100x and liquidated. I think Anonymous might be one of the funniest people in chat. I'm not gonna lie, I always laugh at his chats. Let's see. Yeah, so the SPY, where does it say? Who said that? Oh, I missed it. Oh, Josh. The SPY, the thing we're looking at right now is the S&P 500. The reason this is important is because Bitcoin has been following the traditional markets, at least in the recent past. So when this is not looking good, typically Bitcoin is not going to perform well either. So that's what that is. Let's see. Bada boom. Frankie, great info as always. Learned so much from you. Thanks, buddy. Guys, show some respect to the Godfather. Hey, Godfather, I'm just here to appease you, my man. I am here for you. I am just a soldier. I am just a soldier for you. Shout out to you, to Godfather. I appreciate you, man. Let's see. Frankie, do you want to do your doubled, asking if I want to do my market cipher magic on XDC? Yes, doubled. Where are we at? Oh, we're at an hour and 2 minutes. Guys, go ahead and throw some of... now, listen. I'm going to preface this. I'm not going to look at every single alt just because right now everything's probably going to look like garbage, but we'll take quick looks at some of the alts. If you want me to look at some of your altcoins, let me know in chat, and one of the mods will make a list, and I'm not going to go through them all like we usually do. I know I do usually try to run through, I used to run through all of them, but I was at a different time. Right now, chances are they're all going to look very similar, so I'm not going to spend too much time on them, but throw them in there, and I'll try to look at some of them for you guys. DeSafe says, sup, Frankie, CandleMafia, German squad is on. Let's go. Keep doing your great work. I appreciate you, DeSafe. Welcome. Welcome back, man. We love having you in here. Later, Cap. Have a good weekend. Oh, Captain's out of here. Got to go to work, fam. Happy trading. Love you all. Captain Kirk, double salute to you. Have a good weekend. Be safe. We love you. We'll see you on Monday. Kadena. We can take a look at Kadena. We could say, why is BNB holding up so well? Tree City West. I have a question for you, Tree City West. Why is BNB holding up so well with the SEC news? Do you know? I don't. Yeah, I wish I had an answer for you, Tree City. I don't know. I thought the same thing. I saw that news. I went to the chart, and it was like nothing really happened. Very interesting. I don't know. I wish I did. Litecoin, Solana, Waves. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Gala, yeah, we can take a look at Gala. TJ just getting back from Malta at a Gala event. He said there's a lot of exciting things going on there. He said they have 30. I don't know if this is secret information or information that no one knows. Everyone might know this. I'm not 100% sure, but he said they have 30 games. I did not know that. They have 30 games in development. That's insane. Bullish on Gala, guys. Speaking, let's cover the title, right? I said best altcoins to watch. I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. We're going to fulfill on those titles. Now, let's go ahead and take a look. Number one, Cardano, guys. Cardano, number one. I am looking to accumulate some Cardano. And, you know, we did make that short call. So we are coming down. Now, if this 2-day red dot does wind up being somewhat of a big deal on Bitcoin, I would expect Cardano to take quite a tumble. Now, I am thinking worst case scenario, we come into the 30s. I'll say at least worst case scenario for the next couple months. Probably if we keep coming down, we'll be in this gold box in the 30s. Keeping an eye on Cardano to make another trip down here. Looking to start accumulating some Cardano. Just because Bitcoin's starting to look a little more bearish, I am keeping an eye on. The reason I am keeping an eye on some of these alts is because I think we might come down a little bit with Bitcoin and the alts might get crushed. So I'm just looking to scoop some of these up on the dip. Cardano, probably going to make its way, if we keep coming down, going to make its way down here. But if we lose this level, it's going to be Scoop City. We're going in there and we're just scooping handfuls of ADA. So that is number one. We're watching this. And then number two, guys, XRP Army. XRP Army, show yourselves in chat. Throw up the X because I want to talk to you guys. I have something important to talk to you guys about, and it is regarding XRP. And I don't want to be the bearer of bad news or the bear of bad news, but it's not looking too hot for XRP right now. Throw up the X's in chat. It's not looking very good right now, and I'm going to show you why in just a second after I take another sip of this G Fuel, or I think it's G Fuel maybe. I don't know. Should we try to get sponsored by G Fuel? I could probably reach out to the people out there that I used to know and maybe get a G Fuel sponsorship. That'd be kind of cool. 33 cents on ADA. Have a large order at 33. Yeah, Anon, I mean, that's in the cards for sure. I hope that gets hit, man. I hope that gets hit. XRP Army in the chat. I see you guys. Okay, so taking a look at XRP, guys. Let's just run down, do some top-down analysis real quick. And then, you know, once we do this, ADA, XRP, and we'll show one more Gala, maybe. And then we'll move into the requested alts. Yeah, gonna get a fat bag of XRP around 27 cents. Hey, it's a good idea. Snow Cone G Fuel is pretty good. Okay, interesting. Crypto Kevin says, love your show. Thanks for the advice. Crypto Kevin, welcome to the Candle Mafia. My name is Frankie Candles, and I show you every single weekday right here. Oh, on the weekends, too, we upload some videos. Might have a video coming out this weekend, too, guys, by the way. But, hey, Kevin, welcome to the Candle Mafia. My name is Frankie Candles. I show you how to trade and make money with crypto, whether the price is going up or down. That's right. You can make money while the price is dumping. Don't know if you know that, but welcome to the family, brother. You can't go anywhere now. You're part of the Mafia now, my man. But anyway, XRP, guys, not looking the best, right? Your 2-day also looking to, not printing a red dot just yet, but looking to get pretty close. Jimmy Two Shoes, I see you, brother. Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. 2-day red dot, probably looking to print here pretty soon, right? You're getting that daily red dot. You are currently printing that daily red dot. Oh, baby. Now, the reason this worries me, guys, if we start moving down these time frames, right? You already have a confirmed yellow X on the 16-hour, bearish. 12-hour, you got 2 blood diamonds, bearish, bearish, right? And you're getting the red dots. Money flow generally coming up, but you're probably going to leak out here a little bit. 10-hour, blood diamond, bearish. 8-hour, no blood diamond. 6-hour, blood diamond confirmed, bearish. And your 4-hour blood diamond confirmed bearish. Now, add insult to injury here. Blood diamond and, and a money flow crossover into the red at the same exact time. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. This can definitely bring you down. You know, last time we came into the red, and you could try to measure out some of these, right? You get a crossover here. Where is it, right? Here you come down about 8%, right? You got another crossover right. You get another crossover right here. You come down, you know, I mean, if you want to count this, you come down about 10% or 8%, right? Now you're just starting to get a crossover here, but you have a blood diamond here, right? You have a blood diamond on this one, so it could play out a little worse. 8% would bring you, ironically or coincidentally, right down to the top of our support box right here at about 35 cents. So that's probably gonna be your next stop if you break this level of support. Obviously, you got a bounce here, a bounce here, a bounce here, a bounce here. If you break this, 8% playing out like the rest of these 4-hour money flow crossovers, you could come down to this level here. Now, obviously, you know, you could come down into like these were little red waves on the 4-hour, right? If you came down, I mean, when you last time you got like a real crossover into the red was all the way up here, and Timmy took a tumble. So you want to be careful. It could play out a lot worse. You want to make sure you do have a value area low on this level as well, so you have a little confluence there. Probably gonna be some pretty strong support there, but money flow crossover into the red. Blood diamond confirmed on the 4-hour, looking bearish as all heck. You guys know we have a family-friendly show here, but maybe we'll do like candles after dark, and I'll stream from home, and we'll just have candles, and it'll just be like uncensored, and we'll just be cursing all the time. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, XRP looking bearish. I think you could see some turbulence this weekend, so just be ready. You know, be careful if you're in the XRP army. But I will short it if I have to, but I'm looking to scoop the bottom. Don't get me wrong. I'm looking to accumulate. I'm not hating on XRP. Don't get it twisted. Let's see. You're going down with us, Frankie. That's right, baby. I am holding my XRP either to 1 million or to 0. But I'm going down with the ship. I'll hold up the XRP flag as we go down, as we sink on the ship, and I'll just go down with everybody. I'm happy with that. Rafi CandleMafia. Guys, we have our first official CandleMafia name. Rafi, I'm so happy you put Rafi in your name, because I wouldn't know it was you otherwise. Rafi CandleMafia, absolutely love the name change, man. Frankie's giving us the golden ticket to crypto sale. Time to fill up your bags. Let's go, Rafi. Shout out for the name change, man. I like that one. I'm going to XRP myself. Who said that? Did you make that up, Rafi, or was that Anonymous? I bet you that was Anonymous. And it was Anonymous. I knew it. Dude, he is like the class clown. And I don't mean clown in a bad way. You are the class comedian. And in my eyes, I'm a big comedy fan, so that's like one of the coolest things I could call you. Trust me. Anonymous, shout out. If we ever have, whenever we have a Frankie Candle's CandleMafia meetup, I think we'll call it CandleMafia meetup, right? Because like, who cares? Like you want to come meet Frankie Candles? Like, no. We're just all gonna meet up and hang out. We're all friends, right? Like, yeah, I think CandleMafia meetup is way cooler than a Frankie Candles meetup. I don't know, but. If we do have CandleMafia, well, not if, when we have CandleMafia meetups, Anonymous, I'm electing you to open the meetup with stand-up comedy. So if that's something you're into, we'll look that up. Let's see. Crypto Billy, what is going on, man? Thank you for being here. Did you just come in? I didn't see you earlier. But either way, what is going on? Crypto Billy, one of the absolute OGs. I appreciate you, man. All I hear is bearish this, bearish that, going down here, possibly some down action. 6 months ago, it would make me sad. Now I see shorting possibilities. Rob, the crypto snob. That is what I like to hear, man. We see opportunities. Our eyes turn to dollar signs no matter what way the markets are going, and it's a beautiful, beautiful position to be in. 419 people in here, guys, creeping up on 400 likes. Like I said, 450. You guys get 7 spins on the wheel, which inevitably is probably going to wind up with you guys getting like 900 NFTs given away, so whatever. Smash up that like button, guys. I appreciate all of you. But yeah, I wanted to send that little warning shot for XRP. You know, nothing's 100%, guys. I've been wrong before, so, you know, maybe we don't see a downturn, but things are looking pretty bearish. So I just wanted to send that warning shot for XRP. Now, let's look at XDC, because I remember, forget who called it out. Someone wanted to see it, and we're looking at it. Thanks, Frank. It's going to be bloody. Let's go, Impro Life. Wick says, wouldn't it be crazy if the white swan came in right now? Ooh, baby. Yeah, that would be interesting. That would be interesting. Like I said, if we do get this giant relief pump, I do think it's going to come out of nowhere. Everyone's going to be like, oh my God, Bitcoin's ripping. And everyone's going to be pulling their phones up. What? What? Out of nowhere. That's what I think. No one is saying the bottom is in anymore. No, Crypto Owl, listen, listen. Possibility of this being the bottom, Possible. I think it's the less likely situation, but it's possible. But yeah, I mean, I have a pretty traditional outlook on crypto. Like, I think the 4-year cycles are still somewhat intact. So I generally don't think we're going to see all-time highs until 2024, 2025 when we're in another cycle. Unless something completely different happens, which until that happens, we have to assume history is going to repeat itself or at least rhyme like it has in the past. So chances of this being the actual bottom, possible, but I think it is likely we get one more last leg down. We haven't touched the 200-week moving average. So, you know, I think there is a likely chance that we come down again. Let's see. I'm really close to ATL, so a meetup would be great. Palmetto, Nick. Hey, man. Hey, maybe we'll do an ATL meetup. That would be cool. All because of Frankie Candle. Rob says... I think I missed that first chat, Rob, but he says all because of Frankie and the CandleMafia. Shout out to Rob. We love you over here, Rob. Harmony 1, only 4 p.m. here. Crypto Billy, let's go. Early day for you. Google says gray swan is the opposite of a black swan. Really? Interesting. Jimmy Two Shoes says Frankie Candles, no more bugs. I got my bugs right here. Maybe we'll eat them. Maybe we won't. Jimmy Two Shoes. Maybe we won't. We will obey, Jimmy Two Shoes. You need to send me 1 ETH and I'll send you back 5. Oh boy. Oh boy. Regarding spinning the wheel, how do we claim the winnings or how do we know who won? We're going to announce the winners here in just a few minutes at the end of the stream. We will announce all the giveaway winners at the end of this stream today. If you win, you're going to want to reach out to one of our mods, Tyler Durden, Tony D, Crypto Anon, or Captain Kirk. And mods, if you guys have a specific individual person that they should reach out to, correct me please in chat. But reach out to one of the mods in Discord and they will get, if you win the NFT, we will get your Nami wallet or Cardano wallet address, send you the NFT. And if you win the hat, we'll just ask you to send us a physical address to send the hat to and we will ship it to you. So there you go. Hard to call the bottom before we see all the macro bearish things play out. Yeah, Stefan Berg. Or Stefan Berg. Yeah, absolutely. Blazing Saddles, welcome back, man. Thank you for being here. Yeah, it's hard to tell. We have a lot of macroeconomical things happening right now that are going to affect the price. So it's kind of hard to call. You know, if we get some crazy news, the technicals will probably be out the window. But a lot of the times, the technicals will magically show the signs before the news comes out, which is very strange. But anyway, let's take a look at some of these altcoin guys. So as far as the ones I'm watching, Cardano, XRP, Gala as well. This is Polkadot. Polkadot I'm watching as well. I want to accumulate a lot of Polkadot. Gala 2 down here at 6 cents. Probably not a bad time to start DCAing, but if we drop down, it's going to be Scoop City. Absolutely. Gala, Cardano, XRP, Polkadot, Cosmos or Atom is another one. HBAR, Solana, and Oasis Protocol or Rose. These are 8 altcoins that I am keeping an eye on, just so you guys know. But XRP, Cardano, and Gala are the 3. And XRP and Cardano look like they could drop pretty soon. So those are the ones that I'm really, really looking for. These are kind of the ones that the title was based off of. That's why they were on the thumbnail. So there you go, guys. Your teaching is the best. Hey, R. Kanji. Shout out to you. I appreciate the kind words. I'm going to keep doing it. So if you like it, keep tuning in because I'm not going anywhere. Lucian, what is going on? Great show, Frankie. Thanks for your work. I appreciate you, Lucian. I'll be here every single weekday, 5:45, right after ATB. You can't stop me. We took a day off yesterday so I could go to a Russ concert. And it just felt weird. I don't like taking days off, guys. I don't like taking days off. However, the Russ concert was absolutely fire. If you guys like Russ, he's a rapper. The show was amazing. If you get a chance to see him live, he is good live. He's it's very good, very good. All right, let's Floki Moon Ferrari Dow. I love it. Okay, XDC. Let's check out XDC because someone called for it. So we're gonna take a look for you. Is this XDC mainnet? Yeah, I think this is it. Somebody correct me if this is not it. I don't really know much about XDC, so I could be looking at the wrong thing, but I think this is the right thing. All right, I'm just gonna take a look quick here, guys. If it's, oh boy, you got a lot of yellow X's there on the 4-hour. That's not good. Wow, these are weird. These play out weird. This doesn't look great. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, daily looking, oh no. 2-day? No. Looking different than Bitcoin, but looking weird. Wow, look at that wick. Interesting. Let's go to the 10-hour. Yeah, I mean, all your VWAPs are basically below the 0 line already. 4-hour. Oh, 4-hour green dot. Okay. So, I didn't want to do that. Go away. There we go. So you're getting a green dot on your 4-hour. Let's check the 15-minute money flow. I would maybe watch for your money flow to cross over into the green while this 4-hour green dot is printing. That could bring you up a little bit. But listen, unless Bitcoin gets a big pump, this thing is going to bleed. The alts are all going to bleed. So you want to keep that in mind. But yeah, watch that 4-hour, 15-minute strategy. May pop. It doesn't look very, very good or anything, but that's your kind of hopium. But it doesn't really look like it's going to play out very well, to be 100% honest with you. X-Mart's the spot. Thanks for covering Gala. No problem, Brent. No problem at all. Again, sorry it was so short. I do make these. I am spending less time on the alts because they're all gonna get crushed, to be honest, unless Bitcoin decides to turn around. So we're spending a little less time. Ooh, Russ, Rob the Crypto Snob. You a Russ fan? Yeah, Russ is the man. Rush. Yeah, Russ. Not Rush. Everybody keeps thinking I say Rush. But yeah, Rush is cool too. But this was a Russ concert. Frankie says, relax. Has the giveaway been done? Louis. Hey, Louis Ramos. What's up, Louis? No, we have not done the giveaway yet. We will do it pretty soon here. I'm actually probably going to call it. I'm probably going to call it in about, 10, 15 minutes. We're going to do a little more TA for about 10 or 15 minutes. And then we're going to do the giveaway because the giveaway might take a little time because we got a lot of stuff to give away. Okay. Thank you, Frankie, for the SCT. Hey, Double, no problem. I got you, man. I got you. Watch that 4-hour, 15-minute. But, again, you want to be careful. We're probably going to go sideways bearish unless Bitcoin turns around. So, what positions are you in? Are you short-term bearish like me? Market Matt, I am bearish, short-term bearish like you, absolutely. In an Ethereum short here, pulled out 177 in profit, 49% up still, 144 unrealized profit, using about 3.3x leverage. Also closed out a Bitcoin short. I actually closed the whole position by accident. But we pulled that one for 20% on Bitcoin. Wish I was still in it, but it is what it is. But there you go. Hats are coming. Uncle Steve, we do have these hats. We don't have the official merch yet, but because we hit 15,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away 2 or 3 of these. Probably 2. We're going to give away 2 of them to 2 lucky people. But these are I am just getting these from, so Mrs. Candles, this was a birthday present for Mrs. Candles, but everybody loved them. We're going to add them to our official merch, which is, actually, guys, the merch, it's our starter merch, right? So we're going to do like really, really cool designs and stuff. But right now we're just getting some basic merch made. And then we're going to make these hats. This is going to be like the first official piece of merch, like exclusive merch. We're going to add these, but they're not ready yet. So I'm just going to order these from where Mrs. Candles had it custom made. And we're going to order 2 of these custom hats. And we're just going to give them, 2 of them away to lucky CandleMafia members. But the actual mass-produced hats should be ready pretty soon, Uncle Steve. We'll send you one. Let's see. What do you think about the reverse repo? Give me a hat, Anonymous. I hope you win a hat, man. What's up, bro? Crypto Seeker, what is going on? Blanchard's Bees, always happy to see you. I love the hit merch. I want one of everything. I will say this, Blanchard's, the quality is like, these are not like Gildan t-shirts with like a logo printed on them. We are using a legitimate merch, like clothing company to create this merch. It is a very, very, very high quality merch. It's not just some like basic t-shirt you buy in bulk. Like our XRP jerseys, our Cardano jerseys are real jersey material with like stitched. It's good. It's good stuff. And we will be getting the Frankie Candles merch from the same place. Mr. Candles, why wasn't I invited to the wedding? Oh, Mrs. Candles, yeah. Well, not officially yet. The Candle Mafia likes to call her Mrs. Candles. But yes, maybe soon. Shh, Jess, if you're watching this, I'm just kidding. Am I? But you got to get married in a bull market, right? So we're just prepping right now. It actually noticed that I actually noticed that about your hat. Yeah. Como se comas. Earn free Bitcoin and altcoins. I want merch, bro. Let's go. We're about to give some away. I bought an Ada hat at all-time high. Let's go. Yes, the merch is going to be ready soon. Wait till you see the shirts in production, bro. Real deal jerseys. Let's go. Yeah, and Crypto Billy actually is the creator of the first official Frankie Candles merch with our Frankie Candles t-shirt that I was wearing the other day. So shout out to Crypto Billy. That was the first piece of Frankie Candles merch ever created. So thank you, Crypto Billy. I love that shirt. Make it happen. Have all of us DGens show you to our wedding. Just comb above. I may change it, to be honest. Just comb above. I want my ETH orders at 1K hit. Let's go, chemistry, bro. Let's go. Okay. Jimmy Two Shoes says, Jess, Mrs. Candles, the real boss. Jimmy, you know, Jimmy. Happy Mrs. Candles. Happy life. I don't know. Actually, Jimmy Two Shoes met us at Bitcoin Miami 2022. One of the only people who got a Mrs. Candles face reveal. He actually knows what Mrs. Candles looks like. One of the very, very few. And BX Bricklayer as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at some more of these alts. I saw a call for Kadena. Let's take a look at Kadena. Okay, Litecoin, Link, Kadena, Ape. We'll look at ApeCoin too. Ape is actually looking like hot garbage right now. We'll take a look at that. Waves we could take a look at. So Kadena, oh baby. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Yeah, broke the value area low right here, this blue level of support. We've broken out. Let's come to a lower time frame. Let me just get this range back. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so I bet you, there you go. Just like, I mean, you did, so you broke down, you retested, you broke out, but then you got the blood diamond and the dump. But let's come to a higher time frame here. Yeah, I mean, yellow X on the 6 hour. I mean, this yellow X brought you down. This yellow X brought you down 54%. That's a, wait, how is that 54%? That is savage. I don't know if you'll come down that much, but I mean, 54% from, yeah, down to $1. Yeah. Yellow X on the 6 hour, very, very bearish. Kind of yellow X is on the, no. Yeah, and the daily too, not looking too hot. Yeah. Yeah, 30-minute print in a red dot. Let's check the 4 hour real quick. 4 hour coming up. I would watch that 4 hour 15-minute strategy. Look for that VWAP, that yellow VWAP to cross up over that zero line on the 4 hour, and then you're looking for that 15-minute crossover, 15-minute money flow crossover into the green for Kadena. You know, as far as levels, hard to say. Very hard to say. Let's pull up our VPVR, get an idea where all the volume's being traded. Yeah, very, very, very hard to say. I mean, yeah, I mean, you're kind of coming down to that last. I mean, we could put a line here at this wick would be like, yeah, $1.20, $1.29, $1.30 is probably going to be, yeah, $1.34. There's a level underneath you. I hope you don't have to come down that low, but yeah, you might find some support there as well, maybe $1.62, but you've already bounced off there almost. So there you go. I mean, I would watch this $1.62, $1.33. I'd be watching those levels for Kadena if we continue down. But, you know, overall, 6 hour yellow X, no bueno. No bueno. This, you know, that last one brought you down quite a bit there. So not really looking too hot. And you got the money flow curving back out as well. So that's like double bearish. But yeah, you're coming up. Yeah, you'll probably find some support. Yeah, I'd watch those levels there for Kadena. What's your favorite comedian? Byron asks. Byron, that was an old chat. I hope you're still here. My favorite comedian? I don't know. I got a lot of them. Big Chris D'Elia fan. I've seen him live. He's really funny. I know he's been dealing with some stuff. I don't know if it's true or not. I don't really, it's not my life, not my problem. I think he's funny, that's all. I also like Theo Von. Theo Von's pretty funny. Theo Von's like a newer one. I never really listened to him, but I've been listening to him more and more. He's a hilarious guy. Hey, we got the Naked HD Fun Best Adult Dating Site webcam people in chat, guys. Hey, webcam people, put 100x long in on Doge, Elon, Mars, Inu, Ferrari, Lambo. It's going to the moon, guys. Go ahead and just dump all your money in there. Get them out of here, damn scammers. They're gone. Yeah, Crypto Billy. They don't stand a chance against Tyler and Tony and Captain. And hey, Captain, you're still here. Yeah, Captain's still here. Let's go. Do you think Kadena will come back next cycle? I would think so, since the use case is good. Yeah, hey, James, what's going on? James M, welcome back. Yeah, I do. I do think Kadena will be back. I don't see a reason why. Yeah, I don't see a reason why it wouldn't come back. It's got use case. It's got good fundamentals. Yeah. Let's see. I'm dusting off my two-step for the wedding. Let's go, Mr. A. Quant, we could take a look at Quant, Ape, and Waves. Sure. QNT, let's take a look, guys. Let's take a look. All right. Taking a look here. You do have a confirmed yellow X on the 4-hour. That is no bueno. VWAP coming up, though, right? So you got your VWAP. If you get rejected at that VWAP, this yellow X could get pretty dirty. But if you cross over, I think maybe you do kind of get a little relief bounce there for Quant. But yeah, yellow X confirmed on that 4-hour. Not looking the best. Let's see. Do you have that 2-day red dot printing? Yes, you do. Oh, God, man. Guys, this isn't good. I mean, when you see these blood diamonds and these yellow X's printing on such higher time frames like the 2-day, it's not good. And I know people roast us, right? Like almost every time. Not you guys. I don't mean you guys. I mean like just people on the internet. CandleMafia knows what's up. You guys understand. You actually watch the streams. You actually know how we do our TA and how we trade here. So you guys actually get it. And you guys understand that when you have a yellow X on the 2-day, that it doesn't play out instantly. When a yellow X on the 2-day pops up, the CandleMafia knows that it doesn't just dump to 0 right away. You know that it's a longer time frame, and the smaller time frames can pump. They can pump, dump, before the higher time frame plays out, right? You guys know that, but I know on the morning show, sometimes people just come in, they like, yellow X, it's gonna dump. What happened? Yesterday was yellow X, right? Like, they like to talk trash. But listen, it might not happen tonight or tomorrow or, or Sunday or Monday, but this is not a good sign. A lot of times when you see these popping up like this on the higher time frames, and you saw them on ETH, 12-hour, 16-hour, blood diamonds, printing on these higher time frames. They don't show up as often on the higher time frames. Yellow X on the 2-day for Quant, right? It is indicating that they probably longer term are going to continue to bleed, right? So this is indicating that we could be seeing a little more downward price action for the crypto markets in the near future. Definitely not a good sign, right? And we already know we're in a bear market, so it's not out of the ordinary to come down, right? So you got that on your side. So money flow coming out pretty harshly on the 2-day as well. So yeah, yellow X on Quant. If you're looking to pick up Quant, if you're looking to fill your bag, I mean, this is probably good news to you because you're probably going to be able to get it pretty cheap here. Yeah, I mean, when you're pulling a 20, when you're pulling, oh God, I can't. Yeah, when you have a 20 on the DBSI and a yellow X on the 2-day, that is not good. That is not good, guys. I mean, you could come back here. I mean, look at this. All these giant red candles. You had a 12, a 13, an 11, an 11, an 11, and a 12, a 13, right? You don't even have a 20 and you came all the way down here, right? Now you got a 20 and a yellow X. There was no yellow X's up there and no 20s, right? The higher the number on the top of the candle, the more you come down, right? If you guys don't know what the DBSI is. So this is bearish on Quant. So there you go. I hope that helps you out. Good day, Ryan. What is going on, man? Thank you for being here. Man, I say this humbly and respectfully, but it is becoming impossible not to make $100 to $1,000 a day using the lessons, coaching, and teaching Frankie provides here. LFG. Somebody clip it. Crypto Billy is out here crushing it. I absolutely love it. Crypto Billy, you are the man, dude. You are out there killing the trading game, and you're in all the live streams, and you're making t-shirts, and you're going to Bitcoin conferences. Man, Crypto Billy, you're living life, dude. I absolutely love it. Shout out to Crypto Billy. I'm glad I was able to help you. I hope I played a part in that success that you're seeing. Shout out to you, man. $100 to $1,000 a day. Go ahead and brush some dirt off your shoulders, my man. Pat yourself on the back. Absolutely killing the game. Love it, Crypto Billy. It's a great sign if you're looking to buy. Yeah. Hey, the yellow X's don't have to be all negative. Let's see. How long does a blood diamond on the 12-hour play out? Donato Cabrera. That's a good question, man. BG Bank says, pretty new here. Glad I found the Mafia. I don't take advice from anyone really on YouTube. Good TA though, bro. Thank you. Can you look at Theta? Yeah, we can take a look at Theta. Hey, BG Banks. That's a good, I like that, man. It's not a bad thing that you don't take advice from YouTubers. You know, you can look at YouTubers and, like, you know, get my sentiment. I'm feeling bearish, right? But that doesn't mean that you have to take that and, like, now you're bearish, right? You could take what I'm thinking. Maybe you agree with it. Maybe you disagree with it. But it's good to get information. But it's good that you're not just taking, you know, just taking what YouTubers say. You know, you want to take everything YouTubers say. Or anyone for that matter. It doesn't have to be a YouTuber. Anyone who's giving you crypto advice or anything, you want to take it with a grain of salt and do your own research. So I like that. You take a practical approach at this. So shout out to BG Banks. Thank you for being a part of the Mafia now, man. Welcome to the family. Now you're part of it forever, my man. You ain't going nowhere. Let's go. We will take a look at Theta in just a second. But let's just look at Ape real quick. Theta. I won't forget it. Theta. Shout out one more time to our mods, guys. You guys really do, you know, you guys help me out a lot. I appreciate you guys. You guys are family. Anyway, all right, let's see. ApeCoin, let's check it out. I guess we'll keep the DBSI up just for fun. Yeah, ApeCoin coming down to the lower time frames here. Yellow X is on the 6 hour, you know, not as current as the one on Quant, but not good. You're pulling an 18 on the DBSI on the 6 hour. Not looking good. Oh, I totally didn't answer that question about how long the blood diamonds can take to play out. We'll come back to Ape in just a second. Let me come over to Bitcoin real quick. And let me get rid of all our drawings real quick. And then we'll get rid of this. And we'll get rid of this. And we'll get rid of this. And we'll come to the weekly, right? Actually, we'll turn this back on, right? So we have, you know, on something like the weekly, I know you asked about the 2-day, but on the weekly, you know, we printed the blood diamond, right? And, you know, in this whole week, you know, we did come down a little bit, but there's little pumps and dumps, right? So for this to actually fully play out, which I would argue that it's not done playing out yet, we've come down 40% from that blood diamond, right? So how long did that take? It took us about 56 days. 56 days. We were talking about this blood diamond 56 days ago, and now it is played out, right? So that's how it could take a long time. You know, this whole week, every day this week, the haters were going, what happened? I thought we were going into the bear market. It's not dumping. What happened? I thought we were going into the bear market. Right? And then even this week too, there was a whole 14 days here. They were like, what happened? We're just ranging, man. We're just ranging. Thought the blood diamond will play out. And now we're 56 days later. Look at us now. We're down 50%, 40%, whatever. Same thing. But it takes time to play out. So I hope that helps you understand. You know, 2-day, you know, it depends. It depends, right? This blood diamond, this one right here, you could argue, brought you all the way down 48%, right? And that took 70 days, right, to bring you all the way to the bottom. You know, I guess you didn't really make a lower low there. So, you know, in about 10 days, it brought you all the way down, right? And then you kind of just ranged at the bottom. But, oh God, what were we looking at? We were looking at Ape. Ape and then Theta, and then we could take a look at waves. But yeah, 6 hour, you're getting those red X's, right? You're starting to dump here a little bit, as you can see. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, you're getting 1 hour is about to print a red dot. I think that could bring you down probably 6 hour yellow X, 4 hour yellow X is your 2-day printing a red dot. We don't have one because there's not enough information. There's not enough data on this chart, but we're at this value area low, guys. If we lose this, we could come down quite a bit. So I am bearish on ape right now. Bearish on ape. Let's take a look at theta. And then we'll take a look at waves. And then we will do our giveaway. Okay, so here we go on theta. Actually, one of the only things that is green on the 2-day. Not quite looking to print that red dot just yet on the 2-day. Checking the 6-hour. You know, in the green on the 6th hour, you did print a red dot, so you'll probably come down, but your VWAP is going to come up pretty soon here. Let's look at the 4-hour curving up. Money flow coming down, though. So don't love the money flow here. You're probably going to go sideways, probably sideways on this if I had to guess. Yeah, I would say sideways bearish on theta. If you're looking for some levels to keep an eye out for, I would keep an eye. You know, your next level, you're pretty close, but your point of control right here is about $1.23. Right under that, you do have a value area low at about $1.02. So there's some levels you can look at to the downside. I mean, I don't think you're getting up here anytime soon, but 255 is you know, a pretty deep, you know, I wouldn't even pay attention to that. If you come down those two levels I just talked about, I would be watching. And then yeah, let's actually pull up that VPVR. Where's it at? Right there. Yeah, I would say probably like right about here. You know, if you do pump, you'll probably find some resistance there at about $1.77. And then let's just take a quick look at waves, guys, and then we'll do our giveaway here. Still got 344. Guys, we got 450 likes. I knew you guys were going to do it. That's it. 7 spins on the wheel. I don't know why I picked the number 7. But yeah, we are going to be giving that. We're going to be giving away probably quite a bit of NFTs here. So Frankie said bing bong on that one. Dump. Spot on hater accent. Thank you. I'm trying to be the cool uncle, Mr. A. We got 2 cool uncles. We got Uncle Steve. He is definitely the cool uncle. And then yeah, we got Mr. A, the other cool uncle. BTC is dumping. Is that right? You guys are trolling me. I guess not really. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, boy. Oh, wait. Hang on, guys. Let me just hold my undo button because I deleted our Bitcoin drawings, and I got to bring those back because we have a lot of important levels there. Okay, there we go. I think I got them back. Boom, we got them back. Okay. All right, scalping from a hotel room made 38% yesterday, got 22% now, going but continues to roll. Let's go, Crypto Billy. Yeah, we got to do like Spotlight Trader of the Week or something so we can highlight some of our traders that are crushing it in the Discord. Shout out to Crypto Billy, absolutely wrecking the game. How do I enter the giveaway? Michael Stevens, you go to the top of the chat. I have a pinned comment at the top of the chat. There is a link there. You're going to want to click that link, leave a like, leave a comment, and be a subscriber to get entered into the giveaway. Go do it right now because we're going to call the winners very quickly. And then I would recommend going back and watching the video because it is a very, very interesting video. Anyway, taking a look at, was it waves? Waves. Yeah, taking a look here. Did we already look at waves? Somebody stop me if we already did this. I'm lost. User 7. Yes. Thank you, Tyler. Let's see. Yeah, waves. Let's see if we got the 2-day red dot. You do have the 2-day red dot with that money flow coming out as well. Wow, look at this weird price action. Yeah, let's see. 6-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour. Don't have any of the blood diamonds that you have on some of the other alts, but that 2-day red dot, same thing, looking pretty bearish. If we're being 100% honest, as far as levels, gonna be hard to call this one. Yeah, I would say something like that. Yeah, I would say probably your next level to watch. Yeah, I would say something like this. about $6, and then 430. Probably gonna be your next stops if you continue down. That yellow X played out absolutely beautifully. But yeah, there you go. Some levels to watch on waves, guys. So I think that's all we got for the TA today, guys. Let's go ahead and spin that wheel. I'm excited for this. We got a lot of stuff to give away here. So let's go ahead and pull up that wheel and see if we can get a couple of more giveaways. Gonna leave the giveaways a little bigger, so you guys are definitely gonna get something here. 7 spins. Let's get through them really quick, so we can go ahead and call these winners up. Let's see, bada boom. And then bear with me here, guys. I do need to. All right, so while we're spinning this wheel, for anyone who hasn't clicked that pinned comment to get the who hasn't clicked that pinned comment to enter the giveaway, make sure you do that now. Oh, what is going on? We have the wrong thumbnail up. What is that about? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I literally have the wrong thumbnail on the video today. So whatever, things happen. Can't get them all. Anyway, spin number 1. Here we go. Big money. Big money. Let's get it. Oh, night off, baby. No bugs for me tonight. Spin number 2. Let's get it. I don't have my money here. I just want to throw money today. I can't believe Crypto Billy's killing it like that. Let's go, Crypto Billy. I don't mean I can't believe it. I'm extremely happy is what I meant. Spin number 3. Come on, baby. Come on. Give him a giveaway. Give him a giveaway. 15-minute Discord hangout. Say less. I'm there. Spin number 4. Can they get it? Can they get it? Spin number 4. Coming in close. Oh, it's going to be a night off. Deep fake. Guys, next time I'm in Discord, can somebody remind me while I'm in Discord talking, hey, Frankie, send the deep fakes? Because I will. I just keep forgetting. Spin number 5. Let's go. Here we go. We increased the size of the giveaways to increase chances of winning. Here we go. There it is. There it is. Giveaway, baby. Add another one on there, mods. Here we go. Spin number 6. Let's go. Spin number 6. Coming in close. This one's going to be a close one. I can feel it. Deep fake. Discord hangout. Giveaway number 2. Let's go. Let's go. My favorite thing to do. Spin number 7. I think it's going to be another one. I think it's going to be another one. Oh, God. Giveaway. Night off. Oh, baby. All right. Well, we got you guys a couple of more NFTs, so you can't hate on that too much. Love to give you guys extra chances to win there if you guys hit that like goal, so I appreciate you. I'm only here for the hat. Let's go. Was living in Florida, now back in Estonia. Can't wait to get back stateside and bring the family with. Let's go. Make it rain, Frankie. Yeah, I wish I had my cash here, or I would make it rain. Graduating FCU next year. Crypto Billy, you skipped a couple grades. I'm not going to lie. Shout out to Crypto Billy. Hope it pumps a bit. I'm in a little 10x long right now. Uncle Shamurf. Let's go. I'm rooting for you, my man. Pain and pleasure wheel. Let's go. Okay. So let's go ahead and pick our winners. Please bear with me here, guys, as I have to get the link to the video. I cannot believe we put the wrong thumbnail on this live. That is the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen in my life. Everybody laugh and point. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to pull our NFT. We're gonna pull our NFT. We're gonna pull our NFT winners from the false top theory video, and then we'll pull the hat winners from the KuCoin video. So without further ado, guys, as I get the rest of this giveaway set up, filter duplicate users, filter comments based on space out, no, add extra entries, no, 4 + 8. I don't know why it asked me to do that. That was weird. 133 comments, guys. Here we go. Let's go ahead and pick these winners, guys. Start the raffle, and here we go. Winner number 1 of the NFTs, Robert Kadena. You are in chat, I believe, my friend. Let's go, Robert Kadena. You get an NFT, my man. Tyler or Anon or whoever is left in here out of the mods, can you guys please give me a one number that of NFTs that we're giving away, counting the one that not counting the one that Robert Kadena. So minus the one Robert Kadena just won. Minus that one. Let me know how many we have to give away. And Robert comments, "Yes, sir." Let's go, Robert. Shout out to you, my man. Congratulations. We will get you your NFT shortly. So shout out. 20? We have 20 NFTs. Oh my God. All right. We're going broke, guys. Let's go. It's okay. Okay. So Robert, so we have so we had 21 to give away total, Tyler. Before I pick another winner, I just want to make sure. Yeah, 20, baby. Connor Jenkins, we're out here, man. We are out here. Yeah, let me know. Is it 20 from now on, or is it now 19 left? Let me know before we start spinning. I want to let it catch up here. Yeah, congrats to Robert. Let's go. So we got a lot of spinning to do. We should have done this earlier. We're going to run over. It's okay. All right. Let's see. 20 is the total, including everybody. Okay, so we got 19 left. 19 left. All right, here we go. Winner number 2. The hybrid family. All right, I like this. We got OGs winning this time. Love the sauce. Bing bong. The hybrid family, congratulations. You have won an NFT. And the hybrid family, you're an OG. We love you. So congratulations. Winner number 3. Who do we got? Wendell won a giveaway recently, I think. Shout out to Wendell. You're out here definitely hoping this is not the bottom. Lol, looking to buy at lower prices. I agree with you, Wendell. Shout out to you. Congratulations, my man. You get an NFT. Winner number 4. Winner number 4, unforgettable name. Let's go. We got good winners today. Winner number 4 is unforgettable name. Congratulations. He comments, everyone thought we were hitting 100K. I think the smart money used that against us. Just like now, everyone is expecting 22K for the bottom. There's a good chance we don't see it. Regardless of what pattern was the top, I think macroeconomics will dictate the bottom more than traditional cycle, but that's just my take. DCA is the way. As always, thanks for the content. Great knowledge-filled comment, unforgettable name. I appreciate that. That was a well-thought-out comment. And hey, I think you might be onto something there, right? Everyone's expecting that 200-week moving average, that 22K, that 200-week moving average. And like Lane Hughes said in a previous stream, it kind of just seems too easy. And trust me, the whales know about this 200-week moving average. They know about the golden pockets. They know about all this stuff. So, you know, they might try to trick us. That is a very, very good point. So shout out to unforgettable name. You are winner number 4. Spin number 5. Here we go. Jimmy Two Shoes. Jimmy Boy. Guys, I don't know what's going on. We got all the OGs winning giveaways right now. Congratulations, Jimmy. You're getting that NFT, my man. Shout out. You are always in here, man. You deserve it. He comments, Frankie Candles, consigliere chart boss. Coffee time is on. Let's go. Salute. Jimmy Two Shoes. Congratulations, man. I love you. Spin. Number 6. Here we go. Here we go. Crypto Anon. Let's go. Awesome, TA. Keep up the great work, brother. Now, I will say this. We never talked about this. Can the mods win the giveaways? And I'm going to make the executive decision here. They can win the giveaways. The mods do a lot for our channel. They deserve to win the giveaways. I think it's fair. They don't get any extra entries or anything like that. They get one entry just like everybody else. I'm just gonna make the executive decision. They can win. Crypto Anon deserves every bit of a free NFT. Deserves 100 free NFTs. He helps out the channel so much. Shout out to you, Anon. Congratulations. Super happy you got to. Tyler, you want to keep us? You the man, Anon. All right, okay, yeah, Anon, you'll get it. Mods, we'll talk about it. For this giveaway, we have 20 to give away, so if you guys win, you win. And then after, if you guys do want to stay out, we could do that. But right now, we'll give them to you. Shout out to you, Crypto Anon. You deserve it, my man. Yeah, and look at that. The community, look, Mafia agrees. Mafia agrees. All right. So spin number 7. Let's go. God, we're just getting great winners today. I love it. Crypto Owl comments the greatest. Shout out to the Crypto Owl. I don't know if you're in here, but if you're watching this, you won the NFT. So shout out to you. Get in touch with one of our mods on Discord so you can get that free NFT. Winner number 8. Here we go. Buska. BSKA. Hey, Frankie, what do you think about Harmony OneCoin? We almost did some TA on it today, but if you tune into the live streams, let me know. We'll take a look at it for you, man. I don't think you're in here right now, but congrats. You won an NFT. BSK, if you want to claim your free NFT, you will have till our next giveaway next Friday. If you don't claim it by next Friday, we're giving it away to somebody else. But until next Friday, go on Discord, reach out to one of our wonderful mods, and we will get you your NFT. Spin number 8, I believe. Wow, we're going to be here all night. Lag says, love your stuff, would love a hat. So close, Lag. Congratulations, you got an NFT. But hey, we're still, if you commented on that other video, you have a chance to win the hat too. If you guys have not entered to win if you have not commented on that KuCoin leverage video, that's the giveaway for the hat. So go do that now while we're doing this. If you want, you still have some time. Shout out to you, Lag. Congratulations. Spin number 10. Here we go. Lars C says, I'm hoping for this theory to play out. I think he's talking about the false top theory. That's for true. That didn't make sense. Shout out to Lars. Congratulations. I don't know. That was winner number 9. This is winner number 10, Tyler. Lars is winner number 10. Let me know in chat. Lars, congratulations. You won a free NFT. Lars was the 10th winner, Tyler. Let me know. I won't pick another one until we get caught up. I'll wait for your chat. No. Okay, he said no. We're waiting. Let's just pull this up. This is intense. Lars is number 10. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. Okay. All right, we're on. Okay, winner. Okay, so now this is spin number 11. So this is winner number 11. Let's go. Paper Route Frank. I'm a paper boy now. Shout out to you, Frank. I like your name, and I like the fact that you just won a free NFT. Best TA in all the interwebs. Thanks, as always, Frankie. Paper Route, I appreciate you so much that we're going to give you a free NFT. Reach out on Discord, as always, to win or to claim your NFT. Congratulations. If you don't claim it by next Friday, we're giving it away to somebody else, but you got a whole week. So there you go. Congratulations. Spin number 11. Here we go. Earn. Oh, hey, you're in here. I don't know how to say that name. Bitcoin and altcoins, you win. He says, let's go. Congratulations, man. You got a free NFT. Let's get it. Spin number 13. Lapins says, nice. Shout out to Lapins. You won a free NFT. If you're watching this, you know what to do to claim it. If not, scrub back about 30 seconds. I explained it to the person before you. Congrats. You won an NFT to Lapins. Shout out. Spin number 14. Sean Cummings, where I don't know if he's in here today. I haven't seen him in a bit. Thanks for the content. I watch your videos daily and always give the thumbs up. Let's go. Well, that thumbs up paid off today, Sean, because you got a free NFT just for clicking that like button. So shout out to you, Sean. Congratulations. Winner number 15 is going to be Yoda. Shout out to Yoda. Best video yet. Thanks, Frankie. Thank you for the kind comment, Yoda. And I think as to show my appreciation, we'll give you a free NFT. Shout out to you, Yoda. You got until next Friday to claim it, so you got plenty of time. Shout out to you, Yoda. We love you. Spin number 16. Let's go. Victor Lopez says, bing bong. Shout out to you, man. Congratulations. Gonna start going through these a little bit quicker because we're running out of time. Shout out to you, Victor Lopez. Spin number 12. Here we go. Give us someone juicy. Mo's Bar says, bing bong. Mo's Bar, you got an NFT. If you own a bar, maybe you can get a digital picture frame to display your free NFT, and everybody can go, wow, that guy's into crypto. That's super cool. Shout out to Mo's. Spin number 18, I think. I'm gonna slow down here so I can get oh, Yoda's in here. Yoda, what's up? Congrats, man. Rob the crypto snob, let's go. Rob is in here. He's congratulating Yoda while he's winning an NFT. And hey, Rob, listen. You're congratulating Yoda. Somebody's got to congratulate you, man. Somebody's got to congratulate you. I'll be the one. Boom. I'll give you a little congrats in chat, baby. Let's go. Rob, congratulations. He says, good old Frankie bringing the truth sauce like a true boss. Thank you for being you, Frankie. Keep doing what you're doing. And remember, you've got us, your very own CandleMafia, to support you. We'll be with you through the bull markets and the bear market, in liquidations and in profits, till death do us part. Hashtag CandleMafia for life. I'm throwing the pen. I'm throwing the pen. Rob, that is one of the best comments I have ever gotten in my life. Shout out to you, man. I love you. You are an OG. We love having you in here. Congrats on the NFT. Shout out, brother. Congrats. I actually need a pen, though. So give me 1 second here. All right. I found the same exact pen on the floor. That's weird. All right. Here we go. Spin number 19. I'm going to slow down here for a second here. Tyler or Crypto Anon, somebody let me know. Let me know how many we have left. Let me know how many we have left. Waiting outside my kids' daycare, not picking them up until I get a hat. Let's go, Anonymous. Come on, baby. Who's it going to be? ALP says, bing bong. Let's go, man. Congrats. You won an NFT. I will hold off now. Tyler, let me know. Rob was 18. This is 19. Okay, so we have one more. Okay, we have 2 left. Okay, we have 2 left. I will do one more. The thing is, I don't know how lagged out the chat is. So I'm going to do one more, and then, yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's go. Who do we got? Who do we got? Oh, we're over time. Connor Jenkins, is he in here? There he is. I see you, brother. I noticed that Pluto Alliance from a mile away. Congrats. He's congratulating people. And Wendell's here too. Would love to see the awesome mods win some NFTs. Okay, cool. So we have one more. Beautiful. Shout out to Connor Jenkins. Congratulations. And Wendell, I see you in there too. Congrats, man. Yeah, very lagged. Okay. So I won't spin again. And let me know, Tyler, if we have one more. So Connor, congratulations. Not really sure, we still have to pick these NFTs, so we might send them on Monday or over the weekend, but I gotta find a good project to give you guys. Yeah, let's go, Connor. All right, and then, okay, so Connor was 20. Okay, perfect, good thing I didn't spin it again. Winners, hit me up on Discord. Congratulations, everybody. Cheers, Frankie. Connor, of course, man. Blanchards, let's go. Blanchards, I'm rooting for you for a hat. All right, let's see. Okay, now just give me 1 sec. I gotta grab a different link now for this one. Okay, boom. I'd be embarrassing, like, if I got the math problem wrong on live on the internet. That would be so embarrassing. 176 comments. Oh boy. Okay, here we go, guys. I hope there was not a lot of scam comments on this one. Let's see. Who do we got? Scuba Steve, thank you so much, Frankie. I don't know what I would do without you. This is such a helpful video. Shout out to Scuba Steve. Scuba Steve, you're getting one of these limited edition Frankie Candles hats. So shout out to you, man. Thank you for the kind comment. I appreciate it. It keeps me going. I will say that, guys. It's a lot of work to do all this. But when I look at these comments and, like, I just see, like, thank you so much, man. This helps me so much. Like, you're the best. This is what keeps me going, for sure. So shout out to Scuba Steve. I appreciate you. I appreciate the kind comments. And Frank Parisi versus why did I say Frank Parisi? Frankie Candles versus Basic Math. But yeah. Let me just fix this. Okay. Yeah, shout out to you, Scuba Steve. Get in touch with our mods on Discord. You have until Friday to claim this hat. If you do not reach out by Friday, full disclosure, we will be giving the hat to somebody else next Friday. So please get in touch with our mods on Discord, and congratulations. Hat winner number 2. Jason, just Jason. Jason says bing bong. Congratulations, Jason. You won a Frankie Candles limited edition hat. If you don't claim it by Friday, we will be giving it to another CandleMafia member, just so you know. Get in touch with our mods on Discord to hopefully get us to ship this hat out for you. Now, guys, listen. If you, and yes, I am open to bribes. So, if you did not win a hat or an NFT, stay tuned, guys. We give stuff away all the time. Maybe we'll make the hats a thing. You know, you can only get it through a giveaway or something like that. What's up, Crypto Seeker? But yeah, just message. Yeah, Connor, I just got it. Shout out to you. We will get you your NFT. But yeah, congratulations to everybody, guys. Again, if you do not win a hat or an NFT, we give stuff away every single week. So definitely, you'll have plenty of chances to win another hat or another NFT. I do plan on maybe giving away some of these hats. They're a little more expensive, so I can't give away like 20 at a time. But we'll try to give them away. Maybe we'll give away a couple a month, or maybe like one a week, something like that. I don't know. Or maybe we could try to work out a deal with the person who makes them and get a good deal on them. That way we can give them away more often. But guys, with all that being said, I think that's all I got for this wonderful Friday, Freaky Frankie Friday, Candles, Frankie, whatever show that we do here sometimes with TA and charts and candles and lines and stuff. But anyway, guys, thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you more than you can imagine. As always, that's basically just a part of our outro at this point. 270 people, almost 500 likes, guys. Running up to 500 likes before you just hit that like button on your way out. We got like a couple more likes, 4 or 5 more likes to get 500. With all that being said, again, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys. We're creeping up on 18K. I think we'll probably hit it next week, hopefully. And we're creeping up on NFT Alpha for that spot on the building. So definitely appreciate all of you guys for smashing the like button, sharing our channel, and showing it to your friends, subscribing, all that good stuff, hitting the notification bell. It all helps the channel. So with all that being said, guys, that's all I got for today's show. I'll see you on Monday, same place, same time. If anything crazy happens over the weekend, I will try to stream. But as you guys know, the last time I tried to stream from the home office, the internet was really wonky. Gonna try to fix that, get a hard line so I can stream. But if something crazy happens, I'll definitely be in Discord, at least, if not going live, to keep you guys updated. And with all that being said, I'll see you same place, same time on Monday. I love each and every single one of you. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.
Tyler Ramos.